in this scenario, we're just trying to understand whether these substituents are the same and whether they really are truly the same molecule. So as we move from this first structure over to the second structure, you can see they have all the same substituents, right? A methyl group, a cyano group, a phenyl group, and a hydrogen. And same with this third structure, all same 4 substituents. Same with the fourth and the fifth structure. Now the question is, what did you do to this first structure to get to the second structure? And likewise, what did you do to the second structure to get to the third structure, and same for the fourth and the fifth structure, right? So what these question marks are trying to, poke at. So the answer is that yes, they are all the structures are the same, right? They are the same molecule. And so what we did